this blog video, we will delve into the reasons why notes may not be syncing and provide straightforward solutions to fix them. iCloud syncing is a convenient feature for Apple users, and this article will guide you through its intricacies. So, keep reading to learn more. Part 2. How to fix notes not syncing between iPhone and Mac. Solution 1. Check internet connection. Solution 2. Check Apple system status. Solution 3. Force quit and restart the Notes app. Solution 4. Check if the iCloud account on iPhone and Mac are same. Solution 5. Sign out of iCloud and sign back in. Solution 6. Enable iCloud service for Notes. Solution 7. Make sure Notes are in the correct folder. Solution 8. Update iOS and macOS. Solution 9. Restart your iPhone and Mac. Solution 10. Contact Apple support. Part 3. Best way to transfer notes between iPhone and Mac. If the aforementioned methods fail to resolve the syncing issue between your iPhone and Mac, consider using an iPhone data transfer tool, such as Mobikin Assistant for iOS, Mac, and Win, to transfer notes between the devices effortlessly. Here's how you can transfer notes between your iPhone and Mac using Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Run Assistant for iOS. Step 2. Transfer notes from iPhone to Mac. Step 3. Import notes from Mac to iPhone.